Over the last 5 days, we have learned a lot: AI agents, tools, skills, security, deployment, and production ready development. Now it's a time to put that knowledge into practice through the Capstone project. This is your opportunity to build your own AI agent, showcase what you have learned, earn a badge and certificate, even compete for recognition from Kaggle and Google. In this video, we will go through the complete Capstone project process, submission requirements, deadlines, important dates, and everything you need to know before submitting your project. Let's get started. Hello guys, let's start. You might receive two mails. One is related to wrap up next steps. There are a couple of frequently asked questions and related to Capstone project, Kaggle badge certificate. Once you log into Kaggle account, you will see two new updates. One is this wrap up and other one is Capstone project. First we'll open and see the next steps. There are frequently asked questions about it. Let's open this. Related to your quota tokens, due to capacity limitations, you may find that it may take longer than 5 days to complete all your code labs. That means that whatever the 5 days assignments are there, right? Even though you could not able to complete this, still you have time to complete it. That is first thing. Second point is the badge and certificate for this course will be awarded based on the participation in the Capstone project. That means that you have to participate in the project completion, then only you'll get the badge and certificate. Completion of all code labs are not prerequisite to receive a badge or certification. You can completely do your own pace, but if you complete these assignments, you will understand the concept, so that it will be very easy when you're doing the project. Again, I am repeating, Kaggle badge and certificate participants in the Capstone project are eligible to earn badge and certificate on their Kaggle profile. This time you are going to get the badge and Kaggle profile. These will be added to all eligible profiles by end of July 2026. Not today, not tomorrow. July 2026 end. How it looks, the badge or certificate, click on profile. Not now guys, again after completion, whatever I'm showing it here, this is my previous one. Okay, you will see similar kind of badge. Once you complete your project after July end, you are going to get it. This is how it looks. This is old one, 2025. Just click on badge. You will see these kind of certificate on your profile. Just closing it. We'll go back. So this is overall wrap up what you learned, everything they explained it. We'll go back. This is the next one. Capstone project 5 days AI agent intensive vibe coding with Google. Just clicking on here. Again, they mentioned same thing here as well. All participants will receive a Kaggle badge and certificate by end of July 2026. This is how it looks. Basically, there are 4 tracks will be there: agents for good, agent for business, concise agents, and freestyle track. Agent for goods are, for example, learning assistant for under-resourced students, agent for visibility impaired users. So basically something you are doing good for the society. Agent for business, customer support, HR recruiting assistant, workflow automation agents. Okay, those will come under business. Concise agent, kind of any personal tracking apps, health and habits, or email and WhatsApp assistants, travel concise agents. Open track. Out of these three, suppose you feel that your agent not part of all these three, then you have to select the custom track. And here, for example, digital partnering assistant, code review assistant, you have to select any one of the track. And I want to mention similarly exactly same tracks already provided in the last time as well. If you are more interested how we participated at that time, how I created at that time project, everything is available. All solutions already available here, but concepts are little different. There are many chat GPT prompts which I provided in these videos. You can use those prompts and easily you can create it. Okay, anyway, I have one more video plan where I am going to explain detailedly how we are going to create your own project, but that required 1 or 2 days time for me, so that I can create it better. If you're still interested and if you want to see, you just see it. I'm going to share this playlist in our description. Go ahead and see it. You can participate as a single, or you can form a team with 4 members and you can participate it. I would suggest as individual, so that you will learn many things. Okay, each person a team may submit only one project, but you all 4 will get the badges and certificate. The final submission deadline is July 6, 2026, 11:59 PT, Pacific time zone. Okay. Winner will be announced by end of the July 2026. Deadline is July 6. Winners will be announced on the July 2026 end. Three teams in each track. So here we have four tracks are there, right? Each track they are going to find the three winners. So that means that 12 awards will be there. Each track, 3 awards will be there. So we have 4 tracks, 4 into 3, total 12 winners will be there. Top 3 teams in all these 4 tracks going to get the Kaggle swags, and you are going to get the recognition in the social media platforms. Now you just click on this. This is the main page of the Capstone project. Here you can notice that join hackathon. I'll show you that how to do that. We already spoke about it, the deadlines, everything. What is the submission requirements? 4 tracks are there, as we already discussed. In your submission, media gallery, that means that one image, one video, attached a project link. Okay, that project link can be your GitHub link. You no need to deploy your project in any of the cloud based, but if you want to deploy, you can deploy. There are multiple free options are there where you can deploy. In my previous videos I already deployed, like you can use the Hugging Face. That is not a mandatory, again not required any billing accounts. Your final submission must be made prior to the deadline. Okay, Kaggle write-up, it should not exceed 2500 words. A cover image required for your write-up. Attach your video to the media gallery. Video should be 5 minutes or less. Should be published to the YouTube. You can just record one video. What is your project, everything. Just publish into the YouTube and just give that link. If live demo is not possible, a link to your public code GitHub is required. I already told you, right? 4 tracks. Each track 3 awards. Agent for business 3 awards. 3 awards. Freestyle 3 awards. How the evaluation will be there? Whatever you learned as part of this journey, agent, multi-agent, for that you have to show the code. MCP you have to show the code. Anti-gravity, for example, anti-gravity app is there. How you are going to use it, that you can show it. Security features, deployability, agent skills. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 sections are there. You have to show either of 3. That's what they mentioned, at least 3. So in your case, suppose if you cannot show this anti-gravity sections or anything, you just create your project based on these concepts. ADK use it, MCP server you can use it, security features you can use it, agent skills you can use it. If you are not ready to show anything through video, you just consider these 4 and create your project based on these 4 sections. There are 2 categories again will be there. Each category have some marks. First category you have 30 marks. Second category you have 70 marks. Core concept and value. You have to write what is your problem statement and what you are doing it. What is the value of this project? You have to create one YouTube video which should be less than 5 minutes. You have to explain what is your architecture, how to demonstrate it. That is the YouTube video. You have to write complete documentation for your project. What's your architecture of your project? Those kind of concepts you have to explain in the write-up. All these things easily you can do it using the chat GPT. Category 2, here you have 70 marks, 50 marks related to your code. Make sure that when you're pushing your code to the GitHub, keys are not pushed to the your code. Documentation write-up, you have to create it. How to use your project, like README, problem solution architecture, everything. You have to submit before July 6th. You have ample amount of time. Don't be rush. Understand the concepts. If time permits, complete those assignments. Meanwhile, I am also create detailed video how to submit it next 2 to 3 days. Then you can watch that video easily. You can complete this project. Now I'll show you how to submit it. Click on join hackathon. I understand and accept. Once you do it, you can see this view write-ups. All submits are due by July. Something like this, you will see it. I'm ready with my submission just to demonstrate. If you remember, right, in the day 4 and day 5, I deployed this project, ambient expense agent. So what I done, I just pushed this code to the GitHub and I asked anti-gravity to create the descriptions, create the images. So it created for me. It created the write-up as well. I did not write anything. I am going back to the submission, view write-ups, new write-up. Give the title of your project. Give your write-up a title. Okay, title is there. Subtitle also I added. Edit image, right here. I'm going to select the image. which anti-gravity created for us. Okay, save. Looks good, right? Select track, it is a expense track, right? Obviously, it is not the agents for good, not the concise agent. It's a agents for business. Media gallery, I can add videos or photos. Let me add the image. What is the image which I am going to select? This is the image created by anti-gravity again. You can notice that it just showing the flow, how it works. Guys, if you really miss the yesterday's video, deployed the code in the actual cloud, you just watch one time, you will understand the process. Just drag and drop. This is a workflow diagram. If you have the video link, you just include it. Click on save. Project description, go to anti-gravity, copy, created the document. So it is 1004 words. That's fine. Attachments here. Click on add link. Enter the URL. This is our application in the GitHub. Enter the GitHub URL, title, done. Click on insert. I have added the required things. Now video is not available. Let me add video link also because it is not allowing me to submit this, right? This is the checklist. So video is mandatory, guys. Just adding again video link, our YouTube video, day 5. Click on save. Now you can see, right, ready to submit. And you can see the video also. So similarly, you just create your own video. You can click on preview, verify how it looks before you submit, right? It looks good, I feel. Problem statement we have, what are the things, architecture we have, okay, use cases, verification, project link, everything is there. Just I'm going to click on submit. Submitted, guys. Smart expense submitted. Good. I completed my project. But however, I'm going to create new project. I just submitted just to demonstrate how you can do it. That's it, guys. That's all about Capstone Project. This is your chance to apply everything you have learned during the last 5 days and build something useful with AI agents. Complete your project before the submission deadline and earn your badge certificate on your Kaggle profile. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share our channel with your one friend. It helps them learn something new and it helps channel grow too. Thanks for watching and all the best for your Capstone project.